Hi, this is Christian Delfino from Roland Systems Group, and we're here with the brand new Roland XS Series matrix switchers. There's three models of switchers, the 82, 83, and 84. They all feature 8 inputs, which are HDMI or RGB component, as well as 8 analog inputs. And really what you do is you choose how many outputs you want. The 82 has 2, the 83 has 3, and the 84 has 4. So for input types, again, HDMI, RGB, analog can come in over there, and inputs 1 and 2. Of course, you can have phantom power. Then for your outputs, you have HDMI, and we support HDBaseT for the outputs. We can also de-embed the audio off of HDMI and have those come out of the analog inputs. So for switching, really straightforward. As you would expect a matrix switcher to be able to do, we simply choose which source we want to go to which output. So in this scenario, I'll just change the computer that's in the center screen, and this could be your boardroom or meeting room type of application. Then we can switch modes here, and what's great about the XS series is that this single unit can actually work in a whole bunch of different multiple applications. So in this scenario, I'm going to switch it to something maybe more appropriate for a live event, and this is a mirror mode. So in this case, we have content going out to output 1 and output 3 that are actually being mirrored of each other. So we can flip content, mirror it, we can rotate it 90 degrees if you want to use it for retail displays. So very versatile. Then if I go to the next mode, which is span mode, I can take single content and spread it across 3 screens. Then I'm able to switch to all 3 screens at the same time and change the content. So very versatile piece of equipment. Also for control, instead of a proprietary and high-cost touch panel control, we actually just hijack the iPad, and this iPad app will be free to download from the iTunes App Store. And to connect it, you either go through the LAN port and connect to your Wi-Fi network, or you use our USB wireless adapter. And switching sources, simply just touch the panel to switch the source that you want. You can select which output you want to switch to. You can also mix your audio here, and then also flip through the different presets that you might have already set. So the XS series will be shipping at the end of this year. You can look for pricing for the 84 at about $8,000 list price, the 83 at $7,000 list price, and the 82 at $6,000 list price. And if you want more information, go to rolandsystemsgroup.com/XS series to get more information.